Well, folks, about 6 months ago, I ordered some LED fog lights, and in good old RN Customs fashion, they sat on the shelf for 6 months. But today, we're going to go ahead and install these and see how they look. This is a 2008 F250, nothing fancy, just Dad's work truck. Put LED headlights in it last year, maybe the year before, I don't even remember at this point, but decided it was time for some fog, so as you guys can see, I'm under the truck. You're gonna look up to where your fog light is. I'll try my, gonna try my best to record this for y'all. There's where the light came out of. I'll try to put it back in for a second, and then I can show you guys me taking it out. So it's winter here in Iowa, so try not to judge with how dirty this is, but there's the light, and then, get my hand up there. You just pull, I think I waited until after I pulled it to pull the connector, but you can probably do either, but grab onto it, and then you're gonna spin that way, so you're gonna rotate counterclockwise, and then the little screws, the tabs stick under those screws, and you just bloop, pop that out. Now we'll see if I can manage to put this thing in on film here. Just slide that in there. Hopefully you guys saw that. And then maybe I should readjust my light and try to get it a little bit different spot so my hand ain't blocking it, but I think that's inevitable. Yeah. Come on, baby. Okay. Let's see, did I get the tabs? So that tab's under, frame's kind of blocking me. Let's get this out of the way. Yeah, I'd say that's locked in. So I'm gonna plug this in and we'll see what the difference looks like. Oh, fuck. So here's a shot with no headlights on, just running lights, and then obviously OEM, and then here's the LED. A lot better color. Should probably just polish the lenses a little bit because they've never been touched, but there's a little difference there, and then I'll flip on the headlights and show you guys. So on camera, it's kind of hard to pick up, but they are definitely a way better match than that setup. So there's what we're rolling with. This is something I recommend people do. Pull your old bulbs. If they're still good, just keep them on hand because, you know, some of these Amazon Chinese LEDs, I've had good luck with them so far, but I always hear horror stories. So keep these on hand. I'll throw them in the truck just to, you know, in case one ever goes out, need to throw one in, but little tip. Here we are, both LED fogs in. Get a shot back a little bit. Let me know what you guys think, and let me grab the bag and tell you guys what model these are. So here's the brand of what we went with, Sea Light. I've had different couple of styles of these for different vehicles. And here is the part number if it'll focus. Come on. Good enough. I'll put the link in the description for you guys, and you can check it out if you have a similar truck. I just used the little, what do they call that? The guide where you put in what vehicle and what trim and yada yada, and this is what they recommended. So if you guys want to check that out, check the description, and I'll have a link for you guys. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. Bye-bye.